Yo, what's up, YouTube fam? What's going on? It's your boy, Stevenson Lindor. I am back with another one. And today I'm going to be talking about what is Web 3.0. All right. Now, this is huge. All right. But before we get started, make sure you like, comment, most importantly, subscribe and share this video with anybody who needs this information right now. Everybody needs this information. Also, join the Telegram link in the description below so you can stay up to date with what's going on, so you can get access into our community. You can see how people are profiting on a day-to-day basis all through the foreign exchange market and cryptocurrency, man. I'm going to be bringing you guys a lot of content. I can't wait. 2022, right around the corner. We're a few weeks away, brand new year. Man, a lot's going on in the market. So of course, I'm going to bring up some charts for you guys. But today I really want to focus on what exactly Web 3.0 is. Now, before we get into Web 3.0, we got to talk about, Web 1.0, Web 2.0, right? We got to start from the beginning and how and why this is actually important. As you guys can see right in front of you, I got this article. Why is it important? Why is it more important than you think? And it's really, really important, right? So what was Web 1.0, all right? We know we got 3.0 pretty much here now. What was Web 1.0? 1.0 was pretty much the introduction of information, all right? It was the introduction of the internet. The internet pretty much started booming, what, around 1990, 1991, somewhere around there, all the way up until 2000, early 2000, 2003, 4, right before like social media and everything. So that Web 1.0 consisted of pretty much, basically read-only information. If anybody was on the internet back in the 90s, right, early, you remember, it was pretty much, that's it. You logged on. There was no interacting on posts or anything like that. During this time, customers, right, the people, us, we were just consumers. All right, we just went on there to consume information. It was like this one big Wikipedia. That was it. That was the internet, right? And then over time, it evolved, right? And then Web 2.0 came out, right? The World Wide Web. And Web 2.0 was around, I want to say, like I said, 2003, 2004, once social media and everything started coming out, up till now. So during this time, we not only got information, but, right, the internet took information from us as well, all right? So you can look at Web 2.0 as the age of targeted advertising and lack of privacy. That's how you should look at it. Web 2.0, what we're in right now, is the age of targeted advertising and the lack of privacy. You see, during this time, like I said, you not only got information from the internet, but the internet got information from us. So like decentralized companies, like Google, Facebook, whoever, right? They started collecting data from us. So when you logged on, right, remember, right now, you'll log on to anything and all they want to do, they want to collect information. Now it started off collecting information so they can serve us better, so they can basically make us stay on their websites a little bit longer so they can make more money. But then it just kept evolving more and more. Then these companies, what they started to do, they started to take our information and guess what they did? They sold it to advertising companies, right? They sold it to advertising companies. Now, guys, think about it. They got our information so much. You log on to one website, right? You'll just be on there for like 5 seconds. And then you'll go on to another website and the information you were looking on over here will pop up over there, right? Like I'll be on my laptop. I'll be looking up, let's say, credit repair, all right? Then I'll go out and about. I'm on my cell phone. And then guess what? I'm on Instagram and all types of credit repair ads are popping up. It's crazy, right? If you went to McDonald's last night, guess what? They knew, right? You ever look up a restaurant, you'll Google it and it'll literally tell you when the last time you were there, right? Crazy. There you go. So what's Web 3.0? So this is where Web 3.0, it gives the power back to the consumers. It gives the power back to us because with Web 2.0, we got no power. All right, we are not in control. So it's really, really important. So I wanted to share this with you guys to make sure you actually understand. And most importantly, as always, I'm going to show you guys some opportunities on how you can profit, right, with Web 3.0. So Web 3.0 is the new breed of the internet, as it states right here. So pretty much what it's going to allow is all the people who drop content, right? You're going to be the owner of that. You control what you put out, which is huge. It's important. Think about it right now with Web 2.0, whatever you put out, it's on the internet. It's there for life, right? Like, you know the saying, like everything written on the internet, it's in permanent ink, all right? So anything that you put out there that's private, you think is private, is not really private. So yes, if you're on Snapchat, you're on Instagram, and you're doing some crazy ludicrous stuff, even if you got it on your close friends, trust me, it's not private, all right? It's really out there, and it's out there forever. So with Web 3.0, it like changes the game. All right. Now, I know this can get a little overwhelming, and that's why, you know, every time I drop these videos, I try to really dumb it down and make it really, really simple for you guys. But simply put, Web 3.0 is more like a system just for users. All right. It's just for the users, all right? It is creator-driven platforms. And with that, guys, comes massive amount of opportunities. Now, I'm not going to dive deep in and get into all these different companies. I don't want to make this video too long and overwhelming for you guys. We got so much that's going on right now. We got the booming of crypto, of course. We got NFTs. We got all these different things here. So simply put, all right, it was created for creators. All right, Web 3.0 was created for creators. All right, and you can make money, tons of money, lots of money. And guess what? I got some opportunities for you guys that I want you to check out. That's very important because right now we're at the beginning stage, guys. We're still at the beginning stage of all these opportunities that's happening all around the markets right now. And if you get in, especially with this bear market that's happening in crypto, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin and a couple other crypto coins. You see it's dropping today. Like I said, we're pretty much heading into that bear market. I've been talking about it for months now. But with blood on the streets, there's always opportunities. So check this out. So the first opportunity I want to look at in, you know, for Web 3.0 is Ocean Protocol, guys, right? Go to market cap, coin market cap, and look up Ocean Protocol. Right now it's trading around 78 cents, right? Under $1, okay? And this is a really, really good opportunity here. So what exactly is Ocean Protocol? So it's basically a blockchain-based ecosystem that allows individuals and businesses to easily unlock the value of their data and monetize it through the use of ERC20 based data tokens. All right. So this is important, guys. All right. This is going to be huge for Web 3.0 users. All right. Again, the whole purpose, it allows individuals and businesses to unlock the value of their data and monetize it. Right. Think about it right now for all my YouTube creators out there. Notice, right? Monetization on YouTube is not the same like it was, you know, 5-10 years ago. All right, you don't even make money the way, you know, you used to. So these tools on Ocean Protocol, like I said, it's for Web3 data economy. All right, so it's really, really powerful. Okay, so basically you get to publish, discover, consume data in a secure, privacy preserving fashion. Ocean holders stake liquidity to data pools. All right. So this is really awesome. This is the website for it, guys. You can learn, you can earn, okay, earn and build. Really important. Of course, you can join the communities. And this has huge, huge upside potential. Let's look at the chart right here. First and foremost, look at the volume. Market cap, about over 480 million. All right. I see this going over $1 billion easily. All right. Total supply out there. Guys, when I say this is a gem, this is really a gem. And when I look at the charts, right, let's go to Ocean Protocol over here. Boom. Look at this, right? Got this marked up. We're on the weekly time frame. Price is dropping. This hit a high when this launched back in August. It hit a high of basically $1.90, right? Almost $2. And you know, price is going to break that previous high, right? So I got price pretty much coming back around, I would say around nice, you know, 59, possibly maybe 50 cents. And then boom, right? We should go easily, if not, you know, $2, $3. All right. Some analysts are predicting $5, $10, and that would be great. But me, I'm always a long-term. I like to look at worst case scenario. Worst case scenario, we are definitely breaking this high. It's gonna touch $2. So right now we are in an area where it's approaching where this is a good time to invest. I mean, you could, yes, get some now, but I would wait for it to just drop a little bit more. As you can see, the entire market this week has, I think Dow Jones over 400 points, right? So the entire market is bleeding. All right, so I would let this probably drop down a little bit, get around under 60 before start investing, and then hold this bad boy for long term. And when I say long term, guys, all right, and I'm going to start doing this at the beginning of my session too. I'm going to throw out a disclaimer out there. Okay, guys, I am not a financial advisor. I am not, here to tell you what you should do or shouldn't do with your money. I'm just here giving you my opinion, my perspective. You do what you want with it. All right. You do what you want with it. Okay. Because I've been getting a lot of emails and a lot of messages. Should I buy exactly here, 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 here? I want you guys to understand. I want you to take the content that I put out there, right? Use it, learn from it. And then now you make your financial decision based on how much money that you have, right? So around here is honestly where I would personally invest. Get it around 60 cents and then go long with this. And again, guys, all the projects that I talk about on my channel, I'm talking about 18, 24 months. All right. 18, 24 months. Okay. Which is still short term. You see how fast this year went by? It went by pretty quick. So in the next 18, 24 months, you could easily, right? Let me bring out the calculator. I always love to bring out the calculator. All right, let's put this in perspective. Check this out. If let's say I put, $2,500, right? Minimum. $2,500, this gets around 60 cents, maybe lower. I'll put 60. Boom. That's going to give me about 4,100. Right? This thing goes to $3. I just took my 2,500 and guess what? Boom. Nice return right there. I easily, right? 5x my income, 12,500. That's a great profit right there. And guys, the probability of this going to $3 is super, super high. Again, some analysts believe it's going to go to $5, $10. If it does, great, the better. So obviously you play with the numbers. The more money you drop into this, the more money you can make. But a simple $2,500, right, investment, in the next couple of years, it turns into over 10K. You can't lose with that. I want you guys to understand something. All right. I was actually teaching this last night on a call. US inflation right now is, what is US inflation right now? US inflation right now, if I'm not mistaken, it's about 6%. Rate right now. What's the current US? There you go, right there. 6.8%. 6.8%, guys. 6.8%. That's insane. You got to honestly look at that. That's insane. All right. 6.8%. Do you know what's the average annual percentage you're getting at your bank right now? Right. So if I go to my bank, right, average interest rate, right, in a savings account. All right. The average interest rate in a savings account, guys, 0.06%. Right now, you're battling inflation. That's the war right now. For anybody who's scared to invest, for anybody who, think, oh, let me just save my money. I don't want to put my money in this crypto because I know nothing about it. I don't understand and this and that. Let me tell you something. You're losing right now if you're saving your money. If you're saving your money, you are losing right now. There is so many opportunities, guys. I'm talking about even if you have a simple Coinbase. I'm going to go into my Coinbase real quick. Go into my Coinbase. I want to put this in perspective for you guys. Let me get the code here. And let's go 3299. All right, I want you guys to understand this. Let's say I don't keep a large funds of my money on Coinbase, just an FYI. I like to use Trust Wallet and other wallets there, but nevertheless, right? Look, just right here, if I put my money in crypto and right here, I can just earn 4% APY, right? On some of these assets, right? 2% on Dow, right? This is more than this 0.006%, right? That you're earning in your bank. So you're telling me you'd rather keep your money in your savings account than get anywhere between 2%, 4%. And guys, some of you guys already know you can get much, much higher depending on the project that you're invested in. All right. There is no profitability. There is no point of keeping your money in a savings account in any of these US funded accounts because they don't build your money up. And with inflation, it keeps rising. Guys, you know, gas is insane right now, right? Have you been to the grocery store? It's insane right now. Have you looked at your rent, right? And not just in New York and some of the big states. I'm talking about everywhere. Rent is insane right now. So we got to be smart and we got to understand what's going on in the markets. And a lot of these things are taking place right now. So you want to understand how Web 3.0 works. You want to understand all these up and coming projects that I've been talking about. You want to get into the gaming sector. The gaming sector is huge, guys. If you're not buying crypto gaming coins right now, you're losing. You're doing yourself a big, big disservice. So with Web 3.0, it's a game changer. It's an absolute game changer. It now puts the power back into the consumer, back into the users. For all you guys who love to create content, guess what? This is for you, right? You're going to make way more money now than you would have just staying in Web 2.0, which is controlled by big corporations. All right. So Ocean Protocol is one of my favorite projects. Like I said, I'm looking for this to, you know, just drop down a little bit more, get around the 60-cent area. Price could come down and, you know, get to the 40, but I'll feel comfortable getting in around here. One thing I did not do is get in at the top. Never, ever invest at the top, guys. I remember so many people were telling me, Steve, buy Bitcoin, right? I literally had people telling me just a few weeks ago, invest in Bitcoin right around here. I was like, hell no. That's the worst place I would want to invest in Bitcoin. I'll be honest with you guys. I don't really own a lot of Bitcoin, right? If you didn't get Bitcoin down here, or at the bottom here, like buying up here, that was stupid, right? I know there's a high probability, right? Price going to come. Once it clears here, we're going to get down to potentially 30, maybe under 30,000, right? So we want to be smart. Never buy on an impulse. Never buy when price is high. All right. It's just like real estate. You buy when low. All right. You sell, if anything, you sell at the high, but you don't buy at the high. You don't invest at the high. Right. So Ocean Protocol, looking for it to get around here. That's when I'll start looking to invest and then go long. Another project I'm really hyped about, especially for Web 3.0, is Synthropy. All right. Synthropy is a cool project right here. All right. It's about 25 cents right now. Okay. The market cap is 127 million. All right. I see that hitting $500 million, potentially $1 trillion. All right. And pretty much this project right here. So it's designed to solve issues to prevent, right, in the current internet framework, including security, privacy, right, governance, performance, reliability, and ineffective resource utilization. Guys, that's big, all right? So it's there to protect your privacy because as you guys know right now, we don't got no privacy. We don't got no privacy. If you go to their website, all right, rethinking the internet for everybody. Absolutely, rethinking the internet for everybody. And guess what? You see, if you start investing in these coins right here, see how you can stake, right? You see how you can stake? So if I was to stake this, guess what? Look at the APR. Look at the APR. Again, you're telling me you would rather keep your money in a savings account where it's only earning 0.01 or 0.006%, as opposed to getting 25% on your investment? Come on, that's a no-brainer. That's a game changer. All right. Again, guys, what I love with everything that's happening with all these changes, they're really trying to put the power back into the people. All right. So Synthropy, really, really good. I love the project that's behind it. And like I said, if we look at the chart here, let's go to trading view. All right. I always remember, guys, you don't want to just look at it from a fundamental standpoint, right? Market cap. I see a lot of YouTube channels with these crypto gurus, right? And they just basically look at market cap, supply, and they talk about news, and that's it, guys. You got to be able to look at the charts. You got to be able to understand the market structure, the highs and lows, knowing when to invest. You can't just invest anywhere. You cannot just invest anywhere. So check this out. All right, so Synthropy right over here. So boom, basically launched back in July of 2019. I wish I would have known about this project around then, but it's all good because guess what? Price rallied, right? All the way to about 88 cents. Now, coming back down, which is perfect. I want to grab price right around 17 cents, right? As you can see on the weekly time frame, you're basically getting an M formation. So we should finish that M formation right around here. Yes, price could potentially come back to 8 cents, but I'll feel comfortable jumping in. If it gets to 17, I'll invest there, me personally. And then if it drops some more, perfect. This will be another area for me to invest, right? And I know for sure this is easily going to break past to $1, right? Smart investing right here. Again, you never, ever want to buy during a rally point. All right. You want to buy when the market is pulling back. All right. So these are two key zones right here. I'll be looking to go long. And again, guys, 18, 24 months, 18. So we're talking about a year and a half, 2 years. That is nothing. I promise you, these projects you get in, you hold these bad boys, you start staking them in the meantime, right? Earn interest on your coin. So they're saying, hey, listen, if you have some Synthropy coins, you can start staking and earn 25%. Guys, 25% is, do you understand what 25% will do to your money? Do you understand what 25% will do to your capital? All right. So another great project right here. I love this. You know, again, it's going to be huge for Web 3.0. And it's something that people should not overlook and really take this into consideration. All right, guys. So as always, I didn't want to take up too much of your time. I just wanted to jump on here, drop some information, let you know what is to come with Web 3.0. All right. A lot of new projects, a lot of new things being released. This is only the beginning. 2022 is around the corner. You guys really want to position yourself and set yourself up for the next 5-10 years. That's right. The next 5-10 years, man. I'm super excited. Once again, it's your boy Stevenson Lindor. Make sure you like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. Join the Telegram link in the description below so you can stay up to date. It's your boy Stevenson Lindor, and I'm out.